So I decided to come to college because it gave me a sense of responsibility, and I just loved cooking and we didn't get it in sixth form. College has made me a lot more independent and it's made me a lot more aware of what I want to do in the future.
Fel rhan o'r cwrs, da ni'n gwneud lot o bethau fatha dysgu sut i fyny bwrdd a croesawu pobl, civil service, just lot o gwahanol bethau, really.
Wel, mae yna restaurant aspect o'r cwrs a mae yna yr actual cwcio. Dwi'n mwynhau'r cwcio, de. Mae'n wahanol yn y restaurant, da chi'n ffôn beio, pethau fel la, barista. Ond ia'r cwcio dwi'n licio, yr skills o dysgu.
Dwi'n mwynhau lot o bethau am y cwrs yn edrych y cwcio. A dwi'n licio rhan restaurant, ond gegin di job gorau.
Mae yna digon yma yn y coleg, dweud o helpa ni, mae'r tutors reit da, de, chwarae teg nhw. Mae nhw'n ei lot i chi, unrhyw beth chi'n stuck efo, don bwys, de.
We've got lovely tutors, they're really nice, and everyone's just so kind. And I thought when I first was going to come here that I was really scared, but everyone made me feel so welcome.
Ers i wedi cychwyn, mae'n total change, ia. Dwi wedi dod i'r coleg, meddwl bod fi'n gallu cwcio, a dwi wedi dysgu'r actual cwckery, de. Rwan dwi'n fflio.
If you're keen and wanting to be in the hospitality or catering industry when you're older, then join this course. It's a very good course and it teaches you a lot. You can go very far and you've got a lot of options when you leave college.